Hello everyone and welcome back to Warzone Today. We've got an intriguing topic lined up for you today, so we hope you'll stick around till the end. Our videos are short, packed with valuable insights to ensure you get the most information in the least amount of time. Today, we're delving deep into the controversial decision to freeze and potentially redistribute billions in Russian funds and assets following their invasion of Ukraine. The geopolitical and ethical ramifications of this move are stirring quite a debate. As always, we're here to give you a concise breakdown. Let's get started. Asset freezing. Post Russia's invasion of Ukraine on February 24, 2022, countries including the USA, Australia, Canada, Japan, France, Germany, Italy, the UK, and the European Commission froze approximately $300 billion in funds belonging to Russia's central bank. An additional $100 billion in assets and funds from Russian oligarchs and private companies, including jets, yachts, and mansions, were also frozen. Purpose of freezing. The primary reason for freezing these assets was to prevent them from funding Vladimir Putin's war effort in Ukraine. Initially, the plan was to return the assets after the war's conclusion. Controversy surrounding frozen assets. This move has become highly controversial, especially concerning the funds from the Russian central bank. A significant portion of the frozen $300 billion belongs to Russian citizens, most of whom are not directly connected to the conflict. The debate centers on this very point since, in practice, the proposal involves taking money from Russian citizens. To navigate this controversy, alternative proposals are emerging. These suggest the expropriation of assets and funds only from Russian state-owned entities, oligarchs, and private companies directly involved in the war effort, such as defense sector companies. Shift towards compensation. A growing sentiment supported the complete expropriation of these assets, particularly the financial ones, to aid Ukraine's defense and reconstruction efforts post the Russian attacks. Given Russia's clear role as the aggressor in the Ukraine conflict, there's an argument that Russia should bear the war's financial consequences. Initial transfer of assets. On September 5th, U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken announced that $5.4 million in frozen Russian assets were delivered to Ukraine for medical treatment of military personnel and other injured individuals. This amount, though small compared to the almost $400 billion in frozen assets, is seen as a crucial first step. In a year and a half of war, Ukraine had received around $120 billion in humanitarian and military aid from allies. The potential of tapping into the frozen $400 billion could significantly bolster Ukraine's reconstruction and defense. Russia has responded strongly against this action, indicating they won't allow it to continue. Compensation precedents. The idea of financial compensation for damages in aggressive wars isn't new. An example cited is Iraq compensating Kuwait for damages post its 1990 invasion. Given Russia's clear role as the aggressor in the Ukraine conflict, there's an argument that Russia should bear the war's financial consequences. And that wraps up today's deep dive into this heated topic. Did you find this summary insightful? We'd love to hear your thoughts on the matter. Please drop a comment below and let's get the conversation going. If you appreciated this content and want to see more, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Every like, share, and subscription truly means a lot to us. To all our subscribers, thank you for being a part of the Warzone Today family. Please stay safe, take care of yourselves and each other. Until next time.